In this video, I will show you how you can fix if the screen of your iPad Air starts dimming. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Battery. From here, just check if low power mode is enabled or not. If low power mode is enabled on your iPad, the screen of your iPad will start dimming. So make sure you disable this toggle. After that, just go back to the main settings page and tap on Accessibility. From here, just tap on Display and Text Size. And under Display and Text Size, just scroll down to the bottom of the page. Now if audio brightness is enabled on your iPad, just turn it off. Because in most cases, when audio brightness is enabled on your iPad, as you can see, I have increased the brightness on my iPad. Now if I enable audio brightness, the brightness of the screen will go down. So make sure you disable audio brightness. And also, if reduce white point is enabled, just turn it off. As you can see, as I have enabled reduce white point, the brightness of the display of our iPad has gone down. So make sure you disable this feature too. Now after you've done that, then just go to your home screen and perform a force restart on your iPad. To do that, just simply grab your iPad, then press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button on your iPad until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Just keep pressing and holding the side button. And as you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. And after the force restart process is completed, then just check if your issue has been fixed or not. If you've done that, but if your issue is still not fixed, then just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on General. From here, just tap on Software Update and check if you have any software update available or not. If you have any update available, just tap on Update Now and update the software of your iPad, as this could be a software glitch which will be fixed through a software update. But if this also did not work, then just go back to the General Settings, and over here just scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on Transfer or Reset iPad. Then tap on Reset, and from this pop-up menu just select Reset All Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN and tap on Reset. And by doing that, you will not delete any data of your iPad. You will just reset all the settings of your iPad in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. But if this also did not work, then you might have a hardware problem with your iPad. Just take your iPad to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix the dimming issue on the screen of your iPad Air. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.